Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to create a Facebook page using your PC. First, open your web browser and go to Facebook. Log in to your Facebook account. Next, click the menu button and select Page. Click Create New Page. Now enter your page name. Then choose a category for your page and add a short description. After that, click Create Page. Finally, check your page details and customize your page. That's it. Your Facebook page is ready. If this video was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.